How to select foods for diabetics. In case you have diabetes, it does not indicate you have to consume uninteresting food throughout your lifetime. It would help if you attempted to learn precisely what is healthy for you and exactly what is dreadful for you. You should develop a nutritious diet plan that will preserve your own life healthful in addition to supply you with the nutrition that the body needs to keep cardiovascular disease at a distance. What's hazardous to the diabetic to take in? This is actually what would have been a bad diet prepare for everyone else. The answer is a diet plan which has frightening levels of fat, salt, sugars in addition to the highly processed food that one could find. This sort of food is typically filled up with saturated polyfat or trans fats, which usually can't be shed by exercising. They're going to stay within your body and also obstruct up any arterial blood vessels. For those who have diabetic problems, it might be the scariest thing for the diet, and likewise this increases the chances of acquiring heart problems, heart stroke, along with other heart issues in which can lead to troubles. This may not suggest that you need to cut out fat permanently, however several fats are normally healthful and important. When you have diabetic concerns, to understand that fat and food are generally healthy for you and which fat tend to be hazardous to you as well, it is significant. Fats are recognized mainly within refined food and present in the bulk of the takeout consuming places and so are not healthy. Omega-3 necessary fats are located in seafood and for that reason are exceptional for people with diabetes, primarily due to the fact that they will assist decrease the opportunity of unforeseen cardiac arrest. When you're focusing on your diet strategy, you have to keep in mind that you might even now have a couple of sugars and fat, however, in lowered quantities. How these types of food products act together with your body increases the possibility of health problems happening inside you. You need to eliminate these from the consuming practices to enable you to have beneficial results for your wellness. That the body requires about a substantial quantity of fat to end up being healthier. Since it is vital for diabetes sufferers, you ought to moderate your consumption of carbs just. It is because of the excess carbs that may turn straight into sugar within the body, and people who have diabetes ought to be mindful concerning the quantity receiving method a lot of carbohydrates in their diet plan routine. This can affect their blood sugar level. People living with diabetes can easily discover the method to count their carbohydrates through nutritionists or maybe a guide that's excellent on the topic. This could assist these individuals in determining simply how much to consume and in addition to which type of food. If you have diabetes, it does not suggest you require to restrict your diet to meals that have no taste. You can nonetheless have the meals you want if you keep your servings under control. This is all about having authority so you aren't consuming a lot more than specifically what the body may process, and that's the diet strategy which everyone need to have in their own lives to become healthy as well as satisfied. Thank you for watching video. Click the link in description this video to know more about how to exclude of type 2 diabetes today.